Really excited. I'm joined today by our lead scientist and technology development officer, Seda Ayer, to talk to you about a platform technology. It's called educated mesenchymal stem cells, or EMC therapy. So underlying everything that we do is the thought that much of human disease is caused by an overzealous immune response. And that immune response can be debilitating and sometimes even deadly. As you think about some of the options for patients that develop these acute and chronic immune diseases, the drugs that treat them are the same ones that treat chemotherapy. If that sounds toxic, it's because it is toxic. We need better solutions, and that's where Immplacate comes in. Through a proprietary process of priming these MSC cells, we've developed the ability to make these cells highly immunosuppressive and very effective in treating these diseases. Now, we're not the first company to work with MSCs. There's been many of them that have come before us. There's a number in clinical trials. They've all had significant success, but they've all faced a lot of headwinds and many limitations. We know exactly what those limitations are, and we seek to solve each and every one of them. We're going to start with the indications of lupus and acute GVHD. Why? They're huge markets. There's a regulatory pathway that's clear and known. Reimbursement models are in existence currently, and the markets themselves are large. So there's two ways, as we think about the ability to provide this cell therapy to patients, that we'll pursue. Since we envision an allogeneic therapy, one way is through a partner CMO. The other way, if a GMP facility exists at the provider's place, then we will use that and license the technology, and they'll provide the therapy. As you think about the team, it's represented by business, science, and clinical expertise. It's well balanced. We're a small group. Myself, 30 years experience in the life sciences space, having run everything from small startup companies, exiting them out, to larger medical device companies like Guidant. We have two exceptional scientists. One's a co-founder, the other one is joining me here. And I'd like to point out one of our board members, Dr. Gordana Vonyak-Nikovich, probably the single most cited stem cell researcher on the face of the planet. And she's also co-founded 3 other successful biotech companies. I'd also like to highlight our strategic partner and lead investor, and that is Daewon Pharmaceutical out of Seoul, South Korea. Daewon brings to the party not only invested $1 million in Immplacate, but they also have cell manufacturing expertise as well as cell engineering expertise. We also have access to some of their IP as well. Over the next 24 to 30 months, we'll complete our in vitro work, our in vivo studies, do our tox studies, and work through the IND process in preparation for our phase 1 clinical trials. So we're doing a $4 million raise. It's a preferred round, and it's underway currently. So, in summary, we think this is a great opportunity because it's a platform technology. It's one that's aimed at large markets that are underserved, where no good solutions exist today, and none of those solutions exist on the horizons that we can see. We've got a well-balanced team. We've got strong IP that we license through Columbia on an exclusive basis. We're growing that IP portfolio, and we have a strategic partner that can help us scale up our business as we move through our clinical trials and make our way to commercialization.